So I'm planning on doing is giving my PlayStation 4 a new hard drive. So right now I've tried to back up my data because I don't want to lose it. So yeah, right now I'm backing it up. I will show you guys how to do it too, because I searched up how to back up data and it wasn't that easy. I mean, I just didn't find it, how to do it. I just randomly clicked settings on the PlayStation, formatted the drive. I'll just show you guys how I did it. It would be a little much simpler. That'll probably be at the end or at the beginning. I'm not sure because I want to get, sorry, I'm trying to see the numbers. So I'm trying to get the, wow, I can't talk. Okay, so I'm going to switch out the hard drive first before I go back and show you guys how to do the formatting to back up your data. And apparently you can't use the same format as backing up data and also using the extended storage, or using the drive as extended storage. So those are going to be two different things. So hope you guys aren't planning on using your extended storage drive to back up your data, because yeah, I'll see you guys in like 112 minutes. Wow, I am very blind. Again, I think of everything at the worst possible times. Like right now, I thought to myself, hey, you could have gotten the camera, recorded how you did this step. But no, you're gonna have to do it all over again and show it again. And have 2 files. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to get the software onto the flash drive. It just has to be like a gigabyte greater, and it has to be set on exFAT, I think. Yeah, it has to be set on that, on the formatted. I'll just show you guys. Okay, so that's my right hand. Okay, so you want to be on this website, PlayStation.com. I'll put down the link below, and it should bring out like this. So don't use this download right here. Scroll down. Here you go. Perform a new installment of system software. So you want to click this link right here. That one right there. This is what you're going to need the flash drive for. On the flash drive, in all caps, make a folder that says PS4. Then in that PS4 folder, you will also make another folder with all caps, update. That's the wrong part. Here's my folder, all caps, it says PS4, and then here's the update, all caps, and here's the download. Make sure you have at least a gigabyte of space on the flash drive, and you want to set it to this right here. Why isn't it focusing? exFAT format. And yeah, that's it for the flash drive part. I also recommend you do this part first before anything else, because it takes a while if you have poor Wi-Fi. First thing you do is go to settings, go down to devices, then go down to USB storage device. Step to do is format this first, then make sure you once you format it, go to management, whatever button I just pressed. Then make sure you're using system storage, and then go back and then click the option menu. Then you would format it as exFAT, not the format as extended storage. Click that. This device is do that. This device will be formatted. Click yes. Okay. So now you're ready to perform a backup. So go down to systems, then go to backup and restore. Backup. And yes. Backup. Okay, well, that will happen. Well, it just basically restarts. But that will happen. I'm surprised my phone hasn't run out of battery yet. Oh, there we go. Backing up data, do not turn off your PC. Okay, so that's gonna pop up, and it's also gonna give you an estimated time of how long. Still waiting. Okay, well, now since it's finished backing up, we shall turn off the PlayStation. Okay, so this is basically what we're using is a Seagate, I think. Yep, Seagate game drive for PS4. And this is a 2 terabyte drive. So, 2 terabyte drive. Let's open this guy up. I did this just a few seconds ago. Come on. Yeah. So basically, instead of using a flathead screw driver, I used my fingers. Okay. Just making sure. Yep. There we go. Okay, so you guys know how I said it was a lot easier taking the cover off on the second one when the camera was off? Yeah, so I turn off the camera for like a few seconds, begin to work this thing out, and I decided to like gently push from here, give it like a small bend so it's like a little pop out, and it actually just popped out. So basically this thing came out. I was struggling for like what, 10 minutes just to get this part out. So yeah, took this part out. I'm still waiting on the thing to like finish downloading or backing up. So yeah, this goal is achieved. Is take the shiny piece, the shiny black piece off. Take this off, and we just have to take this screw right here. This screw right here. It's basically taking this off, screw this off, and take this out. Okay, now that we have the hard drive out, we have 4 more screws. One here, here, and here. So, let's get that out. Okay, so once you got the bolts or screws out, you basically got this. Make sure I didn't lose any pieces. These rubber things right here. right here. Don't lose those. Those are important. Actually, I'm just gonna leave this like that right now, so I don't forget how it's supposed to go. So basically, I still want to use this hard drive as more of an extended storage. So I'm just gonna gently take off this tinfoil as gently as possible. Why isn't it focusing? I'm very sorry if it's not focusing very properly. Okay, there we go. So now you got this in. Yep, goes the other way. There. Those are why you should have things the way they are. Okay, well, it fits back in. And see where I kind of got scared because I thought I lost this. Okay, well, screw this back in. Let's okay, so this is in. Got the cover. Click it back in. And this part is set to go. Okay, so for this part, you need to attach your remote control through the wire and have your USB drive with the PlayStation software attached on the system right now. And gonna turn it on. I just realized the TV would work better if it's on. I gotta get these. Okay, so basically the option we want is number 7. We have that plugged in. Yes. Okay. So basically now we start from the first time we get our PlayStation. Disconnect the flash drive. Disconnected. And we connect basically we connect the drive we used to back up our old PlayStation drive system, memory, data, whatever. We use that. Plug it in. Sorry. That's up. Okay, we go back all the way down to systems. Backup and restore. This time, instead of clicking backup, we click restore. Hit it. Okay. Restore. And here we go. Still only for purposes. Okay, so basically we still got the PlayStation hard drive right here. We just attach this piece
here, and we basically just cover it back up. So basically we just gently push this back in, like so. Got this in. I don't know if this was gonna stick on back the way it was. So, here it is. I'll probably show it later once the thing finishes loading, and basically here is a 5 GB hard drive.